Hey, on today's art journey, you might recognize this hibiscus line art. This was sketched a few weeks ago. So if you missed that sketching tutorial or want to see how we mapped out those petals from scratch, I left a link to it down in the description box so you can watch it right after this. So the colors are flying today, and I'm going to bring this piece to life using Ohuhu alcohol markers and some Micron pens. I'm slowly getting used to alcohol markers myself, so if you ever felt intimidated by blending, you're in for excellent company. So grab your supplies and let's dive in. For the base, I'm working with my Ohuhu markers. One thing I'm realizing as I'm slowly getting used to alcohol markers is that the paper choice and keeping the ink wet are everything. So first, I like to lay down a smooth base with a colorless blender or a really light color, some type of pastel. And while it's still damp, I start using a richer color right at the center where the petals meet. If you're a beginner like I am and you're new to alcohol marker blending, don't panic if it looks a little dark or patchy at first. As the alcohol evaporates and the ink dries down, it actually smooths out beautifully. So just take a deep breath, trust the process, and let the ink do all the heavy lifting. So as the blending continues, I just want to share a little encouragement about finding your own artistic style. So of course everyone can scroll on social media and that can make us feel like our work has to be completely flawless. But I believe that real art doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, finding your style usually happens in the middle of those little imperfect moments, like when the ink bleeds a tiny bit outside the line, or your shading goes in a different direction. Those, quote, mistakes are what make your art look like yours, not a print from a machine. So embrace your mistakes. They're just part of the journey. Okay, now that the marker layers are finished, it's best that you wait till they're dry. But now we can bring back some definition using the Sakura Micron pens. I'm gently retracing the main lines and pulling thin, feathery stroke textures out from the center of the flower. These fine lines are an amazing way to clean up any edges with a marker straight, and they instantly add like a classic, even elegant botanical illusion feel. And look, it's coming to a close. Our finished hibiscus, color from a sketch we started weeks ago. If you enjoyed slowing down and blending with me today, please hit that subscribe button to join our peaceful, creative community. If you want to practice your blending or find your own style, you can download my digital pages over on my coffee store, linked in the pinned comment below. Don't forget to check the description box to watch the original drawing video for this flower if you want to complete the set. Alright, let me go and get back to the drawing board.